step, once we've created our citations, the last step is to create an internal citation. And our internal citation is how we're going to tell the world that we found information inside of our paper. And we do it now so that we don't have to worry about it later, and it's kind of a no-brainer. So after we've got our citation written in, we hit enter a couple times to bump it down a little. Then we're going to write a line so that it's over on the right. We're going to put in our parentheses. And generally speaking, our internal citation is always going to be our author's last name. If, for whatever reason, you don't have an author's last name, then you keep going forward in the citation to the title of the article or the title of the website. But you want to try to find that author's last name. So here, because it's a website, we would just have our author's last name as our internal citation. And if we're confused, we can always come back to our gateway thing information and we can check and see information about how to do an internal citation, because internal citations should always be that author's last name. Okay, so if you ever, the other place that you can look if you have questions about how to do citations is Purdue OWL. They can always help us out too. So that internal citation is going to be right at that bottom inside the parentheses so that we know what we're doing. So here we go. I've got my internal citation with the author's last name. If you had two works with the same author, then you would include the title of the article as well. So there's my internal citation for my website, and for my book source, I'm going to go ahead and put enters, write a line, put my parentheses in, and put in that author's last name again. Now this one, on my note cards, I would need to have page numbers because it's a print source. And on our print sources, our internal citation is going to have a comma, and then we would have a page number here. So I'm going to put a little blank to remind myself that I need to put a page number so I don't forget.